students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So in our today's question, we have two columns. First column have some physical quantities. These are electric field, electric flux, and permittivity. And second column has some SI units, which are coulomb per Newton per meter square, volt per meter, and voltmeter. So we are supposed to match these columns. So let's see. First we have electric field. Electric field formula that we know is KQ by R square, and KQ by, we can write this as KQ by R into 1 upon R. So KQ bar by R is a formula for electric potential. So this is nothing but electric potential divided by R. So formula unit for electric potential is volt, and unit for R, which is our distance, is meter. So volt per meter will be our correct answer for electric field. Now electric flux. Electric flux formula phi is equals to electric field into area. Electric field unit we just now calculated, it is volt per meter, correct? And unit for area will be meter square. So meter and meter will cancel out. So unit for electric flux will be voltmeter. So correct option will be C. So we'll match second with C. Now permittivity. Permittivity is, if we know, force is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, correct? Now this is our permittivity. So this will be equals to Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi F into R square, correct? Now unit for this will be Q into Q, means coulomb into coulomb will be coulomb square. 4 pi doesn't have any unit. Unit for force will be Newton, and unit for R will be meter, and it is 2 times, so meter square. So it is coulomb square, Newton inverse, and meter inverse square. So our correct option will be first with B. So first with B, only we have only two options, so these two options are incorrect. Then second with C is correct option will be A, and third is with A, correct? I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.